Get rid of belly fat fast in 2025. Are you tired of carrying extra weight around your midsection? Do you dream of looking in the mirror and feeling proud, confident, and healthier than ever before? The time for change is now, and 2025 is the year to claim the body and self-belief you deserve. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to naturally and effectively lose belly fat. Packed with powerful diet tips, core-focused exercises, and motivational insights, this guide will empower you to begin a transformative journey of self-improvement. Stay with us until the end and uncover the secrets to a confident, slimmer, and healthier you. Let's be real, losing belly fat isn't just about aesthetics. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, inside and out. Excess weight around your midsection is linked to significant health risks, including heart disease, diabetes, and even reduced mobility. But more importantly, shedding belly fat isn't merely a physical transformation. It's a mental and emotional one. Achieving your goal will boost your confidence, energy levels, and mindset while shaping the foundation for other self-improvement milestones in your life. Think of this as a domino effect. When you feel good in your body, your outlook on life begins to shift. You feel brighter, more productive, and capable of tackling whatever challenges come your way. No goal is out of reach if you have the tools and the mindset, and that's exactly what we're here to provide. Before we dive into the practical tips, let's address something incredibly important: mindset. Achieving any weight loss goal starts with believing in yourself and cultivating a positive, growth-oriented attitude. Weight loss isn't about being perfect every single day. It's about consistency and progress. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the road ahead, focus on taking it one step at a time. Celebrate small victories, like choosing a nutritious meal over junk food or completing a 15-minute workout when you didn't think you could fit it in. Visualize the version of yourself you want to become. Picture waking up with more energy, putting on clothes that feel great, and walking with your head held high. Hold on to that vision because it will keep you motivated on tougher days. Your journey to getting rid of belly fat begins in the kitchen. Here are some effective dietary habits to adopt. Focus on whole foods. Fill your plate with lean proteins, fiber-rich vegetables, healthy fats, and whole grains. These foods keep you full longer and help stabilize your blood sugar, which is essential for fat loss. Cut down on sugar and processed foods. Sodas, candies, and packaged snacks are major culprits when it comes to belly fat. Replace these with natural alternatives like fruit for sweetness or a handful of nuts for a snack. Stay hydrated. Water is a secret weapon for weight loss. It curbs cravings, supports digestion, and boosts your metabolism. Carry a water bottle with you and aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Portion control matters. Sometimes, even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if eaten in excessive amounts. Experiment with serving smaller portions and eat slowly to give your body time to feel full. Making minor adjustments to your diet each week will not only help you lose belly fat, but will also create sustainable habits for long-term health. Diet sets the foundation, but exercise is the key to sculpting your midsection and burning calories efficiently. Here are some belly fat-focused fitness practices. Incorporate cardio. Engage in activities like walking, running, or cycling to raise your heart rate and burn visceral fat, which is the type of fat stored around your organs. Strength training matters. Combine cardio with resistance training to build lean muscle, which increases your metabolism and helps torch fat even when you're at rest. Core-focused workouts. Incorporate exercises such as planks, bicycle crunches, and Russian twists. Remember, core exercises alone won't burn belly fat, but they'll strengthen and tone the muscles beneath. Stay active throughout the day. Being on the move outside the gym makes a big difference. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, stretch regularly, and go for short walks during work breaks. Consistency is more important than intensity. Don't worry if you're not lifting heavy weights or running marathons. Every effort counts, and your body will adapt over time. One of the most overlooked aspects of weight loss is recovery. Your body needs rest to repair and grow stronger. Without adequate sleep and relaxation, your weight loss journey could stall. Prioritize 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Lack of sleep disrupts hormones that regulate hunger, causing you to crave unhealthy foods. Incorporate stress-reducing activities. High stress levels can lead to fat accumulation around your belly. Try yoga, meditation, or even taking a few deep breaths throughout the day to calm your mind and lower cortisol levels. Listen to your body. Pushing too hard, whether at the gym or in life, can cause burnout. If you're exhausted, take a lighter day to rest and come back stronger tomorrow. Rest and self-care are not a sign of weakness. They are essential components of your transformation. Every weight loss journey comes with ups and downs. You might hit a plateau or have moments of doubt, but remember, setbacks are part of the process. The key is to keep moving forward. Here are a few lasting motivational strategies. Track your progress. Whether it's weekly weigh-ins, photos, or how your clothes fit, seeing your progress can reignite your determination. Surround yourself with support. Share your goals with friends or join a fitness community to stay accountable. Encouragement from others can make all the difference. Reward yourself without food. Treat yourself to something meaningful, like a new workout outfit or a relaxing massage, to celebrate your progress. You're capable of more than you think, and every effort brings you closer to your goals. This is more than just a guide to losing belly fat. It's an opportunity to embrace self-improvement and redefine what's possible for you. By combining a balanced diet, consistent exercise, and a positive mindset, you'll not only slim down, but also discover new levels of confidence and well-being. Remember, the journey doesn't have to be perfect. Give yourself grace while staying committed to your vision. Make 2025 the year you take control and experience the joy of being the healthiest, happiest version of yourself. The best time to start is today. Let this moment be the beginning of something extraordinary. Say goodbye to belly fat and hello to a stronger, more empowered you. Now, let's take that first step together.